Today we're going to show you some shade to part shade perennial pairings. We're going to start with an easy to grow foamflower or Tiarella cordifolia, and we're going to pair it up with Pulmonaria Lisa Marie. Look at that stunning pickup. We've got a little bit of pink on the Tiarella and the beautiful rose red of the Pulmonaria. Here's two that can take partial shade or a little bit of sun quite easily. Bergenia Bressingham white, evergreen leaves that turn red in winter, and one of my favorites, Brunnera Jack Frost with its airy blue forget-me-not flowers and lovely silver leaves. Last but not least would be a really nice combination that even Claude Monet would approve of. A beautiful blue Pulmonaria spot on, and there's a bishop's hat or Epimedium Sulphureum to make a stunning combination of a rich cobalt blue with a pale yellow. Remember, perennial combinations really aren't that hard. You just have to pick two, put them together, and enjoy.